Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create purchase orders on QuickBooks. So of course, all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just look for sales, click on it, then click on products and services. So from here, you can see a list of all your products and services and those products that are low in stock and out of stock. In the left panel, click on New. And under the supplier section, click on Purchase Order. So from here, all you have to do is fill in all the necessary fields by choosing supplier and email, mailing address, ship to, purchase order date, your shipping address, and ship via. So in the item details section, you can change the quantity of the product or service that you want to purchase. You can also send a message to your supplier, add memo, and attachments. Once done, you have an option to save or save and send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!